Dieting has been a cultural phenomenon for decades, with millions of individuals worldwide embarking on various dietary journeys to achieve their ideal body weight, improve health, or enhance physical appearance. However, the diet industry is fraught with contradictions, misinformation, and a one-size-fits-all approach that often leads to unsustainable results. The concept of personal balance represents a more holistic and individualized perspective on health and wellness that transcends the restrictive nature of dieting. This article will explore the scientific principles behind dieting, the pitfalls of traditional dieting, and the benefits of adopting a balanced lifestyle for long-term health and well-being. The science of dieting. Dieting typically involves the restriction of certain macronutrients or food groups with the goal of creating a caloric deficit to promote weight loss. The body responds to these restrictions through various physiological mechanisms. For instance, a calorie-restricted diet can lower the basal metabolic rate, making it easier to lose weight in the short term. Additionally, diets may induce ketosis, where the body burns fat as a primary energy source, leading to significant weight reduction. However, these effects are often temporary. Research shows that diets can lead to initial weight loss, but the long-term success rates are notoriously low. The body is a complex system that seeks homeostasis, and when deprived of essential nutrients or energy, it can enter a state of stress, leading to increased hunger, reduced metabolism, and, paradoxically, weight regain. Moreover, dieting can lead to a cycle of restriction and overeating, contributing to yo-yo dieting and disordered eating patterns. The pitfalls of traditional diets. One, lack of individualization. Traditional diets often ignore the unique genetic, metabolic, and lifestyle differences among individuals. 1. What works for one may not work for another, as factors such as genetic predisposition, activity levels, and lifestyle choices play significant roles in determining the effectiveness of a diet. 2. Nutritional deficiencies. Many diets eliminate entire food groups, which can result in nutritional deficiencies. 2. For example, a low-carb diet may lead to insufficient fiber intake, while a strict vegan diet could cause a deficiency in vitamin B12 or omega-3 fatty acids if not properly managed. 3. Psychological stress. The restrictive nature of dieting can lead to negative emotions such as guilt, anxiety, and frustration. 3. This can result in poor self-esteem and a tumultuous relationship with food, potentially leading to binge eating or disordered eating patterns. 4. Slower metabolism. Chronic dieting can lower the metabolic rate, making it increasingly difficult to maintain weight loss. 4. As the body adapts to a lower calorie intake, it conserves energy, which can lead to weight plateaus and regain. 5. Rebound effect. Most individuals regain the weight lost during a diet due to the body's natural response to calorie restriction. 5. This is often referred to as the rebound effect, and can result in a higher weight than the pre-diet state due to changes in metabolism and eating behaviors. The benefits of personal balance. Personal balance is an approach to nutrition and wellness that emphasizes sustainability, flexibility, and self-compassion. It involves creating a lifestyle that supports physical, mental, and emotional health, rather than adhering to strict rules and restrictions. 1. Intuitive eating. This principle encourages individuals to listen to their body's hunger and satiety cues, which can lead to a more natural and balanced relationship with food. 1. It allows for the inclusion of all foods without guilt or restriction, promoting a healthier psychological relationship with eating. 2. Moderation. Instead of eliminating foods, personal balance advocates for moderation. 2. Enjoying foods in appropriate portions and frequency can prevent feelings of deprivation and reduce the risk of developing disordered eating patterns. 3. Nutrient density. Focusing on the quality of food rather than the quantity can lead to a more balanced intake of essential nutrients. 3. Prioritizing whole foods and a diverse diet ensures the body receives the nutrition it needs for optimal function. 4. Consistency. Building a consistent routine of balanced eating and physical activity can lead to sustainable results without the need for drastic measures or constant dieting. 5. Mindfulness. Being present during meals and tuning into the sensory experience of eating can foster a greater appreciation for food and reduce the likelihood of overeating or making unhealthy choices. 6. Physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise that is enjoyable and suits one's lifestyle can be more effective than adhering to a strict workout regimen. 6. It's about finding a balance that enhances overall well-being rather than solely targeting weight loss. 7. Self-care. Personal balance extends beyond food and exercise. 7. It includes prioritizing sleep, stress management, and social connections, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing chronic diseases. 8. Long-term sustainability. A balanced lifestyle is more likely to be sustainable long-term, leading to better health outcomes and a happier, more fulfilled life. Implementing personal balance. To embrace personal balance, consider the following strategies. 1. Assess your current diet and lifestyle. Identify areas where you may be lacking in nutrients or overindulging in certain foods. 1. Make small, realistic changes that you can maintain over time. 2. Set SMART goals. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that focus on health rather than aesthetics. 3. Educate yourself. Learn about portion sizes, macronutrient needs, and the importance of a balanced diet. 3. Understanding nutrition can empower you to make informed decisions. 4. Seek professional guidance. Consult with a registered dietitian or a health coach to tailor a plan that suits your individual needs and goals. 5. Practice self-compassion. Acknowledge that no one is perfect, and setbacks are a natural part of the journey. 5. Treat yourself with kindness and patience. 6. Cultivate a positive body image. Shift your focus from weight loss to self-acceptance and appreciation for what your body can do. 7. Build a support network. Surround yourself with individuals who encourage and support your efforts toward a balanced lifestyle. 8. Find joy in movement. Engage in physical activities that you genuinely enjoy, making exercise a pleasurable part of your daily routine. 9. Experiment with different strategies. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to balance. 9. Try various methods to find what works best for you. 10. Monitor progress. Use non-scale indicators of health, such as energy levels, mood, sleep quality, and overall well-being, to gauge your success. Conclusion. Saying goodbye to diets and welcoming personal balance is a powerful shift towards a healthier, more sustainable way of living. By focusing on individualized nutrition, moderation, mindfulness, and self-care, individuals can achieve a harmonious relationship with food and their bodies. Personal balance is not a quick fix but a lifelong commitment to health and happiness. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your unique needs and goals, fostering a sense of empowerment and freedom from the constraints of traditional dieting. Embrace the journey and watch as the benefits unfold over time.